What are you doing?
Let's just go down. Sorry, no. No, I too like it.
Wow, Dodo spiders. Dodo spiders. Keeper, what are you doing with the spiders?
I like it.
Oh, spider hả ngàn ngán?
Wait, just go down.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe make a pumpkin patch and go nice garden.
Yeah.
Okay. One seed. Oh!
Scary. Coco's scared. What are you doing, Keeper?
I hear
Huh?
scary.
Mm-hmm.
I tried it's scary.
Mm-hmm.
A grape seems to be germinated by now.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, a grape seems to be germinated by now.
Okay.
But they're not even grown.
That's okay.
Do we have soil?
I think so.
Do we have a cup? Do we have a cup?
And give that to Podai, okay?
Where's it go that way? Where's it go that way?
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
Oh,
do we
wait.
have like a plastic cup or something?
Yeah.
Where?
Keeper, what are you doing?
Mom,
Where's
where's
it
the
go that way?
Mom, where's the plastic cup?
For the sink.
There's no plastic cup in the sink.
By the sink. Keeper, what are you doing? All the spiders.
Bye.
What are you doing with all the spiders, Keeper?
Go that way.
Hey, can we use the Thomas one?
Mm-hmm.
Full of eyes? Cause this is full of eyes. Is there all the